Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to insert square symbol in Excel in Mac OS. Method is same. I am using Windows 11, but also you can apply this method in Mac OS. Click any cell where you want to add, then click on insert, then here click on symbol, then click on equation. Now here guys you will see the script, and here select this first one, superscript. Enter your number. Now here guys you will see two box. Select first box and type your number. Then second box, type your another number. So like this you can type equation in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching.